Today at Bellmetric, we're going to show you how to install a universal CV boot clamp. The first step is to place the clamp around the assembly. Make sure it is aligned in the proper section. Next, find the point where the clamp overlaps itself and mark it with a Sharpie. You'll want to cut off the excess before crimping. To cut the clamp, we recommend using Knipex bolt cutters like these. Now slide the clamp back over the boot. Ensure that you have proper placement and that your clamp has grabbed at least 2 notches. We recommend using these crimping pliers that we offer. That is how you install a CV boot clamp.